A big warm welcome to all. We have been studying about climate. We studied about weather. What is the weather? So it is a day-to-day meteorological conditions as wind, temperature, cloudiness, moisture, rainfall, heat, coldness of a place. When this weather is observed day to day for many years, say up till 30 years as they take in as record, after this they make it an average reading is known as a climate, or an average weather is known as a climate. Or the essential weather conditions or elements of weather are temperature, wind, air pressure. Then we learnt about the monsoon. We read about the differences between the climate of two parts of India, say Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir, or Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya. In India, we said that Tropic of Cancer divides it into two equal halves. So you can say that contrast in temperature are experienced more in interior of the country. Means you can say that interior means when you look at the map of India, three sides are covered by water: the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. So the coastal regions experience a moderate climate, but Madhya Pradesh, the central part of India, MP, Rajasthan, Bihar, some part of Delhi, they experience a high temperature. The rainfall in India varies in its form, types, amount and seasonal distributions. But it is not equal throughout India. Means it is very heavy in the eastern side. When it moves towards the west, like from Meghalaya to Bangladesh is not a country. India, it's not a part of India, it's a different country. West Bengal, Bihar, it reduces. In the upper part, upper part of the Himalayas, precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall. Means here you have less rainfall, the temperature is very cold, the water vapor, the humidity that is present in air, it cools down and falls down. It is it does not cool at, it does not allow the moisture to become in a form of a liquid. Whereas the remaining parts of our country, receive rainfall, receive rains, means Mumbai, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, MP, Rajasthan, they have rainfall during the monsoon season. There is a decrease in the rainfall generally from east to west direction in the northern plains. So means in east direction, when you talk about Meghalaya, Mawsimram, Cherrapunji, Meghalaya is a state. In that we have two cities, that is Mawsimram and Cherrapunji. Previously Cherrapunji had the highest rainfall, then the record broke and Mawsimram has the highest rainfall, where more than 1200 centimeters of rainfall is received. And as we move towards the west direction from Meghalaya towards West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, towards Delhi, Punjab, the rainfall decreases. Climatic conditions, climatic variation also affect the way people live. That is, depends on the food, the clothes, and the kind of houses they live in. As it says, climate affects it. Now see, it's almost the time where we are now going to have a winter season, or we have a summer season, monsoon season. When it's a summer season, so you can understand, and people love to eat ice cream, drink cold drinks, juices. They don't want to eat food because it becomes very heavy. It's the food is not liked by people. But when it comes for the winter season, in winter people love to eat hot food. This is a time where you have a lot of vegetables, so you keep on eating. Sometimes, like when it's a monsoon season, it's hot and suddenly the clouds are coming. After few minutes or hours it starts raining, and then you have a feeling. What type of feeling? You are feeling of having like a pakoras or something else, as you wish, according to your choice. When it's time for winter, You like it or you don't like it, you have to wear pullovers, sweaters, jackets, etc., etc. So climate has its effects on the people. In India, the elevation means the height of land ranges from 30 meters to 6,000 meters. So when you talk about coastal areas where the sea and land seems to meet at a zero level, and as you move towards from the coastal areas towards the Himalayas, where you find the Himalayas are at a great height, they are more than 6,000 meters. The highest mountain peak is 8,848 meters. The Himalayas mountain to the north of India have an average height of about 6,000 meters. The average summer temperature on the Himalayas can vary means have a difference from 0 degrees centigrade to 14 degrees centigrade, while winter can see the temperature dipping below, means coming below the freezing point. Now you should know what is freezing point, what is the degree of freezing point. Along with heavy snowfall. So people living in mountainous region, they make a sloping roofs. So whatever the snow falls on it, because of the slope, it all comes down. Snowfall. The Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia, as winds coming from Siberia, Russia, from entering the subcontinent. Subcontinent means when we talk about India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, all the countries which are at the border of India is known as Indian subcontinent. The rainfall in India is governed mainly by pressure and surface wind. Upper air circulation means the winds that blow above in the air at the height of say 8 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers above the earth, and western cyclonic distribution and tropical cyclones. So now here and there in the news we can listen we are having some circulation in the water body, that is either Bay of Bengal or Indian Ocean or Arabian Sea. That's the winds are moving towards the land masses in a circular form, which is known as a cyclone, and they are going to hit on the coastal areas with heavy rainfall, storm, lightning. You have a lot of cyclones, means at least one cyclone hits India once a year. So here we have the variation, the climatic conditions, what climates is observed in India.